Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. Bit of a fix today. So my van is a Renault Trafic 2016 Business Plus. It comes fitted with factory reversing sensors. However, someone knocked the rear of my bumper a couple months back, and the plastic skin also has the ultrasonic reversing sensor bracket that's moulded into that, which is this black piece here. Ignore the nuts and bolts and the piece of brass, but that is the actual fixture and clip that holds the ultrasonic in. So what I've done, I've cleaned all of where the plastic had cracked in and around the rear of the bumper, and clean that of isopropyl alcohol to allow that to evaporate and dry, so I've got a clean fixture. I've then gone through my scrap bin and found an old 1/4 inch pressure washer quick release nozzle and stripped the outer release lever off of that. So I've got like a brass tube that fits exactly in the hole where the sensor locates. A nut and bolt and a couple of washers and a larger flatter washer on the front. So it's a fixture that I can put and glue this back in place with epoxy resin, and then I can put the nut and bolt through in the washers, tying it up just so it's snug, and then hold this bracket in place and allow the epoxy resin to cure for a few days and harden. Then remove the nuts and bolts, and then I hopefully should be able to put the reversing sensor back in, because at the moment it was just dangling around and giving false readings, and also it's an open circuit because I've now removed it, so the alarm's going off in the van. Vaseline is to rub around the brass insert to stop any resin getting into the inside of this fixture and fouling the way that I can fix it. But stay tuned for more on this, and I'll give you an update shortly. As in the first part of the video, I cleaned up all the plastic around the rear of the aperture where the reversing sensor goes in, like that one there. Cleaned it all up, mixed up some very good quality epoxy resin, bonded that back in place, and then used a series of washers, bolts and a spacer to like work as a setting tool to put that in the right place. Put a rubber washer on the back and tightened that nut up and snugged it so it's not over tight, and then give that a couple of days, maybe a week or so, because of the weather. The resin was warm all night, it was like 24 degrees, so application and mixing was perfect. The weather at the moment is quite mild, so I'll leave that now for a week. Hope that sets and goes off, undo the nut and bolt, and fingers crossed I should be able to resituate my reversing sensor so I'm not getting open circuits and warning alarms going failure. But if you like this video, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. I appreciate everyone that views my channel and my content. Press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Give the video a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.